Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Ranjani. This is my daughter Anjali. Welcome to your practice. This is a practice for hypertension and heart disease. So we will start seated. Find a comfortable seat. We are sitting in Sukhasana, easy seat, but if it feels better to sit in something like Virasana on your knees with a block underneath your seat, feel comfortable to do that as well. We'll start with shoulder rotations. So just bring your arms out parallel, bring your fingertips to your shoulders, and then bring your elbows together. Take an inhale, and then as you exhale, bring your shoulders back and down and around. So just move with your breath. Up, back, down. This is 3 for me. We'll do 5 this direction. Last one. And then once your elbows touch, you'll just reverse. So inhale the shoulders down towards the earth, squeeze the shoulder blades together, exhale up and circle. 4. Coordinating with your breath. Last one. Spine is long, crown of the head to the sky. And just release, shake it out. Beautiful. We'll come to lie down on the earth. Arms can be by your hips, by the side, palms to the sky or palms down. If it feels okay to you, then bring your arms overhead. Yeah, and lie them on the earth. Bring the legs together to touch, flex the feet. We'll be doing alternate leg raising. So inhale the right leg to the sky. Keep the foot flexed. Slowly exhale, lower the right leg down to the earth. Beautiful. Now inhale left leg to the sky. And it might not go to 90 degrees. That's okay. As you exhale, lower. You go to your capacity. You shouldn't feel any pain in the low back. Keep going. Right leg to the sky. Exhale, lower. Left leg. Exhale, lower. Inhale, right. Lower, left. Inhale, right. Lower, left. Lower. Last one. Right leg rises to the sky. Exhale, lower. Left leg. Slowly lower. Beautiful. Bend both knees. And if your arms are overhead, you can release them by your side. Take a full breath in, and then slowly turn to the right in the fetal position on your breath out. Pause, and then press the left hand down onto the earth and make your way up to stand. Okay. So we'll do something called Padashanchalasana. So it's a balancing posture, so keep your feet slightly apart. About hip distance is good. It will help you with balance. And then your hands on your hips. Always make sure the neck is moving away from the tailbone and the crown of the head is to the sky. And we'll start with the right leg. So stand on the left leg. Your 4 corners of the feet are solid, your quads engaged. Draw the waist back. And as you inhale, shift the weight to the left leg and the right leg comes forward. Right foot is flexed. As you exhale, slowly come back to center. Keep it off the earth. Inhale the right leg back. Yep. Exhale, come to center. Right leg out to the side. Center. And then diagonal across the body in front. Inhale, foot is flexed. Exhale, come back to center. Beautiful. We'll do that again, same side. Inhale, right leg forward. Slowly bring it back. Comes behind you. Try not to lean the body forward. To center. Out to the right side. Inhale. Exhale, center. And then to the left. Center. We'll release that right foot. So you feel the left leg now, I know. So ground the four corners of the right foot. Waist is drawing back, crown of the head still to the sky. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from the ear. So fire up the right quad and then inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, center. Inhale, left leg back. Center. To the side. Center. Inhale, diagonal. Exhale, back. Beautiful. Same side. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, center. Left leg back. Center. Out to the side. Center. And then diagonal. Last one. You got it. And back to center. Just relax. Take a moment. Full breath in. Maybe a hand on the heart. Full breath out. One hand on the belly. Beautiful. Okay. Do something called hand stretch breathing. So you're interlacing your hands, bringing them to your chest. Your elbows are soft and relaxed. Your shoulders are away from the ears. Always do any kind of breathing exercise if it's available to you with your eyes closed. So rest your eyes. Pay attention, awareness on the breath. As you inhale, the interlaced hands come out parallel to the earth, so away from the chest, palms are out. As you exhale, flip the palms and bring the hands back to your chest. Soften the shoulders. We'll do 3. So that was 1, 2, palms come out, inhale. Exhale, slowly come back to center. Elbows relax. Inhale, last one. Exhale, back. Now go at a 135-degree angle. So inhale, bring the palms towards the forehead and then add a diagonal to the forehead. Bring the palms out. As you exhale, come back. When they come close to your face, you just flip the palm back and bring them back to your chest, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, flip the palms at a diagonal to your forehead. Exhale, come back to center. One more time. Now we'll go up above our head. So as you inhale, rise the palms towards your face, then flip them, bring them to the crown of the head, and then bring them up to the sky, reaching out of the armpits. Exhale, slowly bring the palms down. You can flip them when they're in front of your face, down to the chest, shoulders relax, elbows relax. 2 more, inhale. Exhale, slowly lower, awareness. Last one, inhale. Flip the palms above your head towards the sky. Reach. Exhale, slowly lower. We'll relax the hands and then you can float your eyes open if they were closed. And now we'll do, Anji, you can come into the middle. We will do Garudasana, eagle pose. So finding balance nice and sturdy on that left leg. Bend the knee and cross the right thigh over the left. So maybe the toes come to the earth right? And you find your balance that way. Maybe they hook around the ankle or calf, it doesn't matter. And then your right forearms goes underneath the left. You cross at the forearms and touch the palms. Otherwise, I can show you more supported, and then you're just on opposite elbow. Yeah, so finding what's comfortable, we'll take 3 breaths. Find a drishti, a focal point right in front of you. Slowly unwind the arms, the legs, stand. Find your balance. Take a deep breath in, slow breath out. We'll do one more on the same side. So standing on that left leg, right thigh crossing over the left thigh. Yeah, you can bring the arms out to a T if that's helpful, and then that right arm going underneath the left arm, eagle arms. Yeah. See if this one you can sit a little bit lower, keeping the torso upright, finding your gaze. 3 deep breaths. Slowly release, unwinding with intention and awareness. We'll simply switch sides. So standing on that right leg, you spread the toes nice and wide, ground the outer soles of the feet, right? Your right quad is engaged, and then you bring that left thigh over the right, exactly. And just notice the difference between sides. Left arm underneath right arm. Three breaths. Slowly unwind. Take a moment to pause. Reground the right sole of the foot and left thigh crossing over the right. Arms to a T. Yep, left arm underneath right arm. Yeah, there you go. 3 breaths. And if you fall out, you come right back in. Remembering always this is a practice. Unwind. Release. Yeah, deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. Okay. So now making your way down to the earth, lying on your belly. So coming into what looks like cobra. So we'll start with lying on our belly, our arms over our head. Yeah, just forehead down. Yeah. Walk your feet together, ankles touching. Beautiful. Okay. And then slide your hands back by your low ribs. Beautiful. Okay. So now tighten up the quads so the kneecaps will slightly come off the earth, and that'll help you draw your navel to your spine, your nabi. So your core is engaged, so your low back is protected. Press the palms down and then come into a low cobra to start, keeping your shoulders away from your ears, lengthen the back of your neck. Gaze just down at the floor in front of you. Take 3 breaths. Yours might look a little lower, and that's okay too. Slowly lower down. Yeah. Turn the head to the side, reach the arms, maybe back by your hips or overhead, whatever's comfortable. You can even stack your palms. Take a full breath in. Long, slow breath out. We'll do 2 more of these. So bring your hands by your low ribs. Maybe you start with hands overhead and slide them back. You can bring them a little bit higher onto you. Perfect. And then inhale, press the palms down, lift the heads of the shoulders, squeeze the scapula, gaze down right in front of you. Beautiful. 3 breaths. The core is engaged, feet are engaged, tops of the toes are down on the earth. And then slowly lower, opposite cheek down, relax the hands, full breath in, full breath out. And once again, hands by the low ribs, fingertips face forward. Yeah, start with your third eye down on the earth, press down and then inhale, lift up. Yeah, lengthen the sides and the back of your neck. Beautiful. Shoulders away from the ears, tops of the feet down on the earth. Yeah. Slowly lower down, completely relax. Big breath in, big breath out. And then we're just going to finish up with slight relaxation. So however you want to come onto your back, just roll onto your back. Being over, yeah. And then you decide if it's not comfortable to have your legs long, Anjali, just show constructive rest for me, please, where the knees are knocked in and the feet are mat distance. You can always be like this. Otherwise, your legs are long, like you're in Shavasana, slightly away apart. Yep, you can just let the feet relax. The hands are on, back of the palms are on the earth, palms to the sky. Yeah. Slightly away from your body, and just rest your eyes. Just notice your body lying on the earth. And maybe in your mind, you trace the outline of your body. Begin to notice the space that occupies the body. And as you inhale, bulge the belly out. And you slowly exhale, notice that navel draws back to the spine. Conscious breaths. Inhale, fill the body with breath. The belly rises. And then as you exhale, knit the front ribs in. Yeah, they collapse down. One more inhale. Let go completely on your exhale. Slowly take your thumb, draw it across your four fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a full body stretch. Reach the arms over the head, point the toes. And then draw your knees into your chest, full Pawan Muktasana. Yeah, give yourself a squeeze. And then roll to the right side and pause in the fetal position. Full breath in, full breath out. Left hand down on the earth and just make your way up to a comfortable seat. So once again, we're sitting in Sukhasana. I can actually show you. If it feels better to sit in Vajrasana, you can just sit on your heels. So you choose. We'll end with Bhramari Pranayam. We will do a simple hand mudra for this one. So Hasta mudra that you're going to use is just taking your thumbs and closing ears nice and gently, and the elbows will be wide. So we'll do a Bhramari. You're going to seal your lips. Remember, you're always doing it with your eyes closed, and it's just a humming sound on the exhale. Okay, so it's a makara. So we'll do, so close your eyes, seal your lips, just take the thumb to the ear, gently closing the ears, and then the elbows are nice and wide. Can you lengthen the nape of the neck away from the tailbone, crown of the head to the sky? Inhale. Exhale for Makara. Slowly relax the hands. Place them on your thighs. Deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. We'll do 2 more rounds. So come back to that position where the thumbs are closing the ears, the elbows wide. Rest your eyes. Seal the lips. Inhale through the nose. Exhale for the M, the humming. Release the hands. Last one. Closing the ears, elbow wide, making sure the spine is long. Deep breath in. Exhale from Ekaanta. Release the hands. Sitting in silence for a moment of reflection. Hands to Namaskar Mudra, bowing chin to the chest. Bowing down to the earth as witness. Idam namama. This is not mine. Rising up at the fullness of emptiness. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.